Well, well, what have we here? A brand new in the box Traxxas TRX-4 Sport High Trail Edition. If you've watched the channel for long, you know that we do have some Traxxas Slashes and a Stampede. This is our first venture into the rock crawling arena. In the box, you get a controller, the truck, and this bag that has some decals, some tools, and an owner's manual. Here's the way the truck shipped. Initially, I'm liking quite a bit the clean look without any of the black decals. So I think I'm gonna start out using this truck with no decals on it for a while. Yeah, as soon as I decide to do otherwise, I will.
Like the paper testing thing, you know, where they're too far apart?
Yeah. It seems like maybe, I don't know.
Anyway, it was having like friction or something.
That might be worse than that.
It's
the motor part, the bearing.
Because I replaced like 4 motors on it and and it's kind of.
Stay tuned for action videos and more videos to follow.